EDSA Forbes. EDSA Forbes terminal in Forbes. I got off the jeep and then ride another jeepney going to this going to Washington Ayala. So I get off from the jeep when I when I reach RCBC. RCBC, from there I ride a jeep or a bus going to LRT, which goes this way along Dayan Street, Hilpuyat. So from Dayan Street, I walk from there going in this place. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 rides.
All the way from Taguig.
Yes. if I'm not with my husband, sometimes he picks me up near RCBC Tower and we go along together.
His office is located where?
It's just located in Ayala. So he's not here. He is and perhaps until tomorrow I'm sorry nga kasi there's a business meeting in Manila.
Sure, no problem. It's all good. Thank you, by the way.